Best foods for unclog arteries. It is good to know the most common reason for clogged arteries. That is hypertension and high cholesterol. Our arteries are transporting the blood with oxygen to our body, so it is important for them to be strong and elastic. The condition of clogging of the arteries is called atherosclerosis, and it is the main reason for heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral vascular disease. The cardiovascular disease is the main death cause in the USA, especially because it is hard to diagnose. What are the symptoms for clogged arteries? For carotid arteries, these are the arteries in our brain, and the symptoms are having blurred vision, dizziness, falling without any explanation, problems with the speech, headaches, confusion, and losing balance. For coronary arteries, these are the arteries in the heart, and it is manifesting with pain in the chest, heartbeat, short breath, and squeezing in the jaw, arms, and back. For renal arteries, there are the arteries in the kidneys, and the early signs are losing appetite, problems with concentration, tiredness, swelling feet, and nausea. Peripheral arteries, this disease occurs due to buildup of plaque in the arms, legs, and pelvis. The numbness and pain are the symptoms. Read below 10 foods that can help you unclog your arteries. 1. Turmeric. Due to the curcumin, this spice has cardioprotective characteristics. It is said that it is helpful for lowering the LDL cholesterol and the buildup of plaque in the arteries. 2. Garlic. According to the researchers, it is proved that the garlic is helpful for preventing heart diseases, lowering the blood pressure, and slowing down atherosclerosis. According to one study in 199, the garlic is decreasing the danger for a stroke or heart attack for more than 50%. 3. Ginger. The ginger includes anti-inflammatory characteristics, and its ingredients gingerols and shagaols are protecting the heart. It is lowering the cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL. 4. Cayenne pepper. Due to the ingredient capsaicin, it is lowering the LDL cholesterol naturally. It is also proved that it is helpful for lowering the risk for stroke and heart attack. 5. Lemon. The lemon is keeping the arteries healthy, and it is also lowering the cholesterol due to the vitamin C. It is lowering the inflammation and making the arteries strong. 6. Cinnamon. If you consume only 1 gram, 3 grams, or 6 grams of it on a daily basis, you can lower the LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and glucose in your blood. 7. Flaxseed. Due to the fiber content and omega-3 acids, it is helpful for lowering the inflammation and blood pressure. 8. Fermented cabbage. The fermented cabbage is degrading the chemicals insecticide chlorpyrifos and bisphenol A. According to one study from 2007, kimchi, recipe from hot peppers and fermented cabbage, is preventing the development of aortic atherosclerosis in high cholesterol-fed rabbits. 9. Sesame seeds. One study from Medicinal Food says that due to the fatty contents, it is inhibiting the formation of atherosclerosis lesion, LDL cholesterol levels, blood cholesterol, and triglycerides in mice. 10. Pomegranate juice. It includes punicic acid, which is helpful for unclogging the arteries and fighting atherosclerosis. It is also rich in selenium and magnesium.